Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome little planters that we have here. I was really impressed by these planters. Planters are so expensive for who knows why. These are plastic. They come with a little saucer pan and they have holes in the bottom to help with drainage. I love that it came in a variety of sizes for different plants that you might have. They are very thick and durable, if you can see the thickness there, and I just was really impressed by these. It was easy for me to replant my plants. Obviously, plastic isn't my preferred planter, but I like that these are just simple enough that they don't take away from decor in the house and they don't look tacky or yucky looking. So definitely recommend these. Like I said, I love the different variety of sizes, and for the price point, I was not disappointed in this. So yeah, I definitely think you should check it out, and that is my point of view.